Hey everyone, and thank you for joining us for another video tutorial. In this, I wanted to follow up Fran's email. So this error seems to be popping up a little bit more frequently now, and I wanted just to show in real time how we can fix this error. So if you're using Google Drive assignments and you happen to receive this error, follow along with me real quick, and I'm going to show you how to fix this. So if you do get this error, we're going to go to Options. This is the drop-down menu. Next, we're going to select Account Settings. The problem is that we are being signed out of Google Drive and it needs to be re-signed in. However, it's not asking us to sign in, but it needs us to. So forcing the issue once we go to our account settings is what this is going to do. So we need to re-log in. Yes, we need to log in. It's going to ask you one more time, which account would you like to log into? And once you successfully log into your Google Drive, then it will have access and the error should go away. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any more questions.